Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal Studios, and today I thought it would be fun to show a video that I did a little bit ago. I drew the Festival of Fantasy's Maleficent dragon. She is my favorite part of the parade, and I thought it'd be really fun to color her in with glitter pens. So I sketched her out, so there's my drawing, and I went ahead and printed her large, so there was my reference materials, and went ahead and drew her. I love it. Like, she's so cool. And I think what I love about her is I wish more of the floats in that Festival of Fantasy parade had been done in that style. Only because it is so well thought out, and if you look at her when she pauses to breathe fire, there's so much detail in her. Like, it's so beautiful. So I drew her out, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and color her in with the glitter pens. A lot of people use these for like the adult coloring books or for other crafting projects. I think they're a ton of fun, and one of the things I learned in playing around with them is that you can actually mix and match colors to do shadowing. So you can see I'm using like one shade of purple, and then I came back in with the glitter pen while it was still wet and used a darker shade, and it worked perfectly. So know that you can mix and match glitter pens. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this into kind of a fast forward. It did take me a while to color it, but I mean, we could sit and hang out for 2 hours, but I want to go ahead and show you in a much more condensed video. So I'll go ahead and put this in a little bit more fast forward. So I hope that you enjoy coloring the beautiful Maleficent that I drew. Enjoy. And don't forget, if you're brand new here, be sure to subscribe if you already haven't. There's a little red icon on the video. Just click on that and subscribe. Our goal is to get up to about 5,000 subscribers this winter. I think that would be so much fun by the end of the year. And all it does is it just reminds you whenever there's a video. So you don't get like emails or communication unless you have it set up to do that for you on YouTube. So I do a lot of art and creating. I'm very inspired by the parks, the Disney parks. I also have my own original characters and more, and I'm going to be adding many more videos on them very soon. I just thought I would catch up with some of the videos that I've wanted to do in the last couple of weeks. So lots more is coming. So be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and then I'd love to hear from you. What is your favorite part of the Festival of Fantasy Parade? This is one of those things I wish you could see this in person. The glitter pens are just so shiny. It's so beautiful. Like, it's just reflective and gorgeous. And I'm going in now. I added some Copic markers. So if you saw that earlier, I did use some Copics just to get some shadows, because in the actual parade float, underneath her neck, it's open, so there's a driver who can view where they're driving. And I wanted to make sure that it had a contrast, almost like Disney has on stage versus backstage. So you can see in my drawing, everything that's on stage, if you will, is beautiful and glistening and sparkly. And then the little bit that is backstage, if you will, you can see that it's sort of more of a flat matte color. Let me go ahead and just sign this. Absolutely love being able to share my art with you. Look at how pretty, oh my gosh, in person, it's so pretty. So pretty. Well, I do want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Again, it means so much to me that I can do this and share this art. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. We will be traveling to the parks in September, so be sure to follow us because we are planning on going live and sharing a lot more videos. Take care.